for Costa Rica in about 2 hours. What are you looking forward to?
Planning is the most difficult part of traveling. If someone could do it for you, would it be worth it?
So far it seems well worth it.
It removes the stress of planning and still lets you have those once-in-a-lifetime experiences.
You only live once, right?
A plan that has a perfect blend of chill days and adventures on other days.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Find remote beaches and try the local cuisine.
This is a beer. That thing is the size of my head.
Or maybe horseback riding and sailing to an amazing snorkeling spot.
It's supposed to be cloudy today, but no clouds.
That's what we hope to do with our ultimate Costa Rica travel itinerary. It includes a fully planned 2-week trip with options you can swap in and out to customize for your liking. It starts off with giving you information on things you need to know before you go to Costa Rica. Things like entry rules, vaccination rules, insurance, and others. Then it gets into the details of the day-to-day plan, which takes you to 3 beautiful towns and 1 city. This includes La Fortuna, Monteverde, Tamarindo, and Liberia. This guide takes into account driving times from place to place and assumes you'll be renting a vehicle to get around. You can also do this itinerary by public transportation, which will increase your time it takes to get from place to place.
This. A room! This is your highway.
This amazing guide starts off in Liberia, where you arrive and head towards the town of La Fortuna to experience the rainforest and the memorizing Arenal volcano, which last erupted in December 2010. The first 5 days of your trip are spent here where you enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, swimming, spas, horseback riding, seeing wildlife, and much, much more.
We can hear some monkeys around here. We're hoping we can see them. They're loud.
Just like you.
Yeah.
Next, our guide takes you to Monteverde for a couple of days. Here you can choose to do a multitude of activities which include zip lining, a guided night walk, hanging bridges, coffee and chocolate tours, butterfly garden, and a hike through the Cloud Forest Reserve.
How do you feel about this whole night walk? Do you feel scared? No, you're excited. We're excited to get bitten by a deadly snake.
No!
After spending your first week in the rainforests and mountains of Costa Rica, the trip takes you to a beach town on the Pacific coast. This town is called Tamarindo. Here you will enjoy some of the most beautiful beaches Costa Rica has to offer. You'll get to do activities like surfing, swimming, tour of the mangroves, ATV rentals, sail to amazing snorkeling spots, and much, much more.
I think this is the way. Let's see. Go!
Your last 2 days are travel days from Tamarindo to Liberia and then home. But we saved the best for last. You get to spend it on an African safari. Using this itinerary will save you hours of research and planning. It is portable and you are able to reference it as you travel Costa Rica. This itinerary can be customized for a 1 to 2 week period, which is outlined in the guide. If you're interested in downloading it, click the link in the description below or go to adventurecampitelli.com/shop.